Welcome to Trial Supplies. Today we're going to run through the spray procedure for spraying out a treatment, and we've looked through the CO2 pressure pack as well as the Brolga boom in previous videos, so if you are interested, have a look at those. So CO2 pressure pack, and now we'll attach the Brolga boom. So we've got our spray bottle header, and that goes into the outlet, our pressure inlet and our regulator. So the regulator is already turned on, it's at 300 kPa. You want to run these 50 to 100 kPa higher than your boom, so the Brolga boom. So the Brolga boom will be used at 250 kPa. This is turned on. Now I'll turn on the pressure to our treatment bottle, and always make sure that the Brolga boom is attached before you turn the pressure on. So you will hear some gas running in there. It's perfectly normal, that's pressurizing. And now we're ready to prime the boom. We have our spray pack, we've got the Brolga all calibrated. Have a look in your Brolga user manual for the procedure on calibration as well as general usage procedure that we're discussing today. And now you can head off spraying. So we've just finished spraying our treatment, and now we're going to go through the procedure on changing from treatment 1 to treatment 2. We turn off our line, so then we can leave a residual gas supply pressure in this line, and on our boom is pressurized with what's left in the bottle. We'll open our release valve and discharge anything that may be left in the bottom of the bottle. And then as you start getting some air coming through, you stop, close the release valve, and then you start discharging what's in the actual boom itself. So now we'll start discharging through the spray lines and through the nozzles. So you've discharged your spray lines. And now, just for any residual pressure, we'll open up the release valve again. And now it's completely depressurized. We'll close that release valve, and now we can disconnect our pressure line and our boom, or the Brolga, and move on to our next treatment.